Good afternoon, my name is Alena Shautsova. I'm an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's video, I would like to provide you my comments regarding this great news that we received, Daca restoration. As you may be aware, just past Friday, a federal judge from Brooklyn ordered that the United States Immigration Services restore Daca in full, will start accept new Daca applications, and would publish the notice that they actually are accepting new applications. Because in the past what happened was that the judge would issue an order, but the government would not do much about that. So finally, the USCIS published a notice that they are accepting new Daca applications, and we can now submit Daca applications for those who have not filed them the first time around, or maybe the applications were rejected, or maybe they were denied, and now they have a perfect chance to refile, all right, to refile or to file for the first time their Daca packages. So let's talk about Daca. What benefits Daca would give you if you qualify for it? Well, first of all, it gives you an employment authorization and protection from deportation, which is very important. Protection from deportation for the time that the Daca is issued. The judge also ordered that new applicants for Daca should also be allowed to travel and apply and receive an advance parole document, which is a very important benefit. For those who did not have legal entry, this advance parole document can be used for legal travel. And when the person is admitted paroled back, the person now has a legal entry necessary for adjustment of status purposes, which is very important. So benefits of Daca, of course, it's not a green card and doesn't provide you a path to a green card per se, but the benefits are very important and useful. So who can qualify for Daca filing for the first time? Well, the news was very good, but unfortunately, USCIS stated that only people who qualified for the first time filing previously, those are the people who can file for it now. So there are unfortunately, no expanded qualifications for Daca. In other words, if you qualified for Daca before, you are the only person who can file for it now. No new qualifying people can submit for it. What do you need to meet? What conditions you need to meet to be able to file for Daca? Well, first of all, you have to be under 31 years old as of June 15th, 2012. June 15th, 2012. So now you're approximately 38, 37, right? You have to come to the United States before your 16th birthday. Since June 15th, 2007 through August 15th, 2012 and until present, you continuously resided in the United States. But through August 15th, 2012, you are allowed to have some innocent, casual, and short departures. Maybe you went to visit somebody like a grandma in a neighboring country and came back. Well, illegally, of course. But the point is that during that specific period of time, those departures will be forgiven. But after August 15, 2012, they will not be forgiven. And at least this is what the rules and questions and answers on USCIS website were saying. And you have to understand that all these questions and answers were tailored for that early time. Now 8 years passed, so situation can be, of course, a little bit different. Maybe it will change, especially with the new administration. But as of now, since June 15, 2007 through present, you have to be continuously residing. If you had the scheduled innocent short departures, they had to be until August 15, 2012. You had to show that you were physically in the United States on June 15, 2012, that you had no lawful status on June 15, 2012, you have now you are now enrolled in school, or you have a diploma from high school or equivalent and higher, and no significant criminal activity, meaning that you don't have a felony, significant misdemeanor, or 3 or more misdemeanors, right? So these are the main qualifications. I think right now, who would be that person who would qualify for DACA right now? It would be somebody who, for whatever reason, usually because of the education requirements, did not file for the DACA the first time around. Now you have a chance. Now you are somebody who's about 38, 37 years old, right? You're going to be filing for the first time, and I hope by now you fixed your education situation, all right? You received that necessary diploma, confirmation, and so on. Of course, it also can be somebody who had trouble proving that he or she has continuously resided in the United States. This may be a more complicated issue because more time passed from 2012, right? Usually the more time passes, the harder it is to prove that you actually have been in the United States. But maybe you fix that situation too. I've encountered that situation with clients' questions when they were using someone else's social, for example. And just so you know, there is an opportunity to fix that situation. You have to speak with a qualified public accountant, okay? Very important. I'm not qualified to give you tax advice, but it's possible to fix that situation, as also many other, if you're looking for answers. So I hope you found this little update helpful. I'm going to comment with the specific qualifications, initial qualifications for DACA, if you're a first-time DACA filer or someone who is interested, or maybe you know somebody who is interested. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon.